Okay, so for this problem, it is asking the two vehicles are initially alongside at time zero, right? T equals zero, which T equals time. And then it says at time T, what is true of the distances traveled by vehicles since time equals T equals zero, right? So to figure out which of these statements would be true. Now, for this problem, right, we could figure out that the equation we are going to be using to be able, we have to find out what is each of them, right? So we can see here that at zero here for each of them, right? The truck is moving at a constant acceleration, right? The entire time. It's not really accelerating, it's at a constant pace compared to the car, which is constantly accelerating, right? So we could deduct by breaking down, right? Let me erase this. By breaking down this equation here, let me write it out. Plus t plus 1/2 at squared. Squared on top here. Okay. All right, and we can break it down to where we could figure out that, okay, there is an x here, right? Like a velocity initial, there's the velocity here, this is the velocity final for t, right? This is where they meet. So we can say that's f, right? Sorry. Then we could also say that, here it is, right? Okay. And we notice that for the truck, it is this equals this, right? Right? Okay. And we know that acceleration is equal to over t. And we also know this is equal to over, oh wait, brought me over. Sorry. Over t, right? So then we could break this all the way down to finding out the two different equations between each other. And we could have xc is equal to x initial, right? 1/2 t. And then this one here, t equals to t plus x here. And we could cancel out like terms, right, to be able to assess it better, to know like what will be greater than the other, right? And essentially, we see here that xt, right, has 1 v t. Let me rewrite this. Then we know this, that xt will be greater than the car, right? Let me show you. T is v t. And the 1/2 makes it just that much more greater, right? And we can assess that the car will travel farther than the truck. No, not t equals 0. We can't say that. And it says that they will have the same distance. No, that's not true because there are different speeds and different velocities. It says the truck would not have moved, and that's not true because the truck has been moving across, right? And then it says the truck will have traveled farther than the car, and this is the true answer.